Welcome to another Tech Hard Pro video. Well, this time it will be an unboxing on a very extremely different type of item. You may guess it by the look of these things here. Wow, these are Touch Plus controllers, and yes, I did not make the video dedicated to like the proper way, the way that you usually do it, because the this item, all right, this Quest 3, which I got refurbished directly off eBay, directly off Meta. This Quest 3, um, which I got like 3 weeks of using it already, or maybe two. Yeah, let's say two. Um, I didn't make a proper like this types of setup video because I wanted to make it a bit different for the other for TikTok basically. So I recorded a bit differently, which I will be showing a little bit there. Meanwhile, I talk about the items that I just got. First of all, I unboxed a new battery pack, which I already dropped. Let's see if I can show you the battery pack while you see a little bit of the unboxing. Okay, so the battery pack damage over here. Just a simple drop and it's already damaged a little bit. But works great. I mean, the battery is just as long as the other battery pack, but charges faster. Even though I have no devices that uses 45 watts yet, or maybe never, cause the other phone that I'm thinking of buying is a C Fold 3 or 6. Depends on one specific thing that will happen later. I will mention it if it ever happens. Now, for some unboxing that I'll be doing, it's just a simple Type-C cable, Type-C to Type-C. Nothing special about it. Now, let's see if I can show it. Yeah, there you go. It's from eBay. It's just a simple Type-C cable. Now, let's see how long is this. Wow, it has a Velcro strap. Okay, that's cool. Velcro thing there. Okay, okay. Wow, this cable feels sturdy. Yeah, this is way better than the other cable that I bought that costed me like locally. That I bought locally and costed me about I think it was $7, $8. This I think this was cheaper. And look how strong everything looks. But the cable is kinda short. I mean, at least if I put the battery in my pocket, it wouldn't be a problem. Let's see. So I could plug the headset through here. Okay, just blink there, but there's no power going through it yet. Let me show if there's any. Okay, let me get the battery pack. This is set battery pack, and plugged in. Boom, charging, and this. Oh wow! Oh, it's doing PD like power delivery, but right now it's just doing very little amount of wattage, which is understandable. I mean the headset is charged already. There's no need to charge it. I left it charging overnight, which is not good. You should not do that. But I was very sleepy and I forgot to unplug it before actually going to deep sleep. Another device. Oh yeah. I'm recording from an S21 that I asked my mom to lend me for a bit. But this is my main. This is the C Fold 2, which you can see here. The screen is completely intact. Or maybe, oh yeah, there you go. You can see on CapCut. Completely intact. Not a single, like, not a single, nothing. Just the screen is completely intact. I know, but it's black bars over here. Yeah, because it has the punch hole there. But yeah, I'm gonna be picking up another C Fold. Maybe a C Fold 3 or C Fold C-Fold, C-Fold 6, depends. We will see what do I end up getting. Let me charge it through here, which will bug out a little bit, but let's see. It says 1 watt, 0 watts. Yeah, this port is it's not working properly. Oh, now it's doing super fast charging. Okay, that's cool. 11, 14. Okay, was not doing super fast charging before. So yeah, 14 watts. Oh, it's not charging no more. Yeah, this type C port is very finicky. Now it's doing just the regular charging. Yeah, 6 watts. It's 91% anyway. So next item, the Kiwi comfort battery strap for the Quest 3. It's just a simple head strap because this thing, look, I thought it was not going to be very uncomfortable, but it is. If I use it either when I'm bald, like when I cut my hair, or when I use it for like over 2 hours, it's uncomfortable. So I'm gonna be installing this. It has a microfiber cloth, which will be good for the lenses. I mean, even though the lenses don't need cleaning, but because they're extremely clear, like pancake lenses are just too good. Just open this box so you can see how I open it and stuff. And it opens just like the regular Quest 3 box. Now it has some instructions at the top. It has like, oh, you need to remove the face interface and this and that. So I will do that right now. Make things better. And here comes the Velcro. Ah, but it has like one of those 3M stickers. It does not have instruction or anything. I guess the instructions are right here. Oh yeah, customer service. 30 days money back guarantee. I'm not gonna use that. And there's the head strap. Here's the foam, which I can really tell this is gonna be extremely comfortable. Okay, we got one. We got the microfiber cloth, which will be useful for the lenses. Which, no, let me remove the default head strap first. I know the Quest 3S assist, but this one is like 380 refurbished. And it came brand new, basically. I mean, like, come on. I couldn't even tell. Now I need to remove these things here. And there you have it. This is going to the garbage. And it's very impressive. Like, they pack a lot of hardware. The pancake lenses, the more powerful processor with the cooling to help it, with bunch of tracking cameras. And it's that thin. Very thin. It's just that the face interface makes it thicker because, of course, it has to be further from your eyes. And here's the battery head strap. Now, how do I put this? Okay, it has to be from the top. I'm reading the instructions here. According to the instructions, okay, I put in the side thing there. I put in the pads. I was putting in reverse before. So, what I should be doing is like extend this out and then make it match with the size of the headset. Oh, okay. That clipped right in. Yeah, I guess the front is already clipped in, right? Oh no, I did not mean to turn it on. Okay, how about the other side? Okay, that's a clip. No type, no headphone jack on the Quest 3S, eh? Even though I don't use this one. Yes, the sensor. Still detecting the movement. Okay, we'll adjust it when I put it on my head. I'll have to change perspective. But yeah, the cable on the side is gonna be like kind of low to accommodate for the. Yeah, okay, there you go. Charges. And just put it in, then put it like completely stable. Something straight in. Just put it like this, and this should be charging. And there's the battery percentage on the top. The Type C is on the top. I would like it on the bottom, but that's okay. I can move this up or down just for easy adjustment. Yeah, now it's doing like charging this, charging that. Let me put this face interface. Oh, maybe I need to pull this back a bit. There you go. Oh, this fell. Okay, that should be good. So I'll put this head strap on. Let's see. This is furthest it can go. And I could just put it in like this. And I'm already in. I need to move this thing out. Okay, let's see. I'm on pass through right now. Let's see. Okay, well, center. I'll push all the way in. Let's see the IPD. IPD 66, 65. Okay, there you go. I think I'm good. Now let's tighten this. Woo. Okay, maybe I need to like put it like this on the top, right on the bottom. Woo! Whoa! Whoa! I can go as tight as possible, and it does not feel annoying at all. This is like extremely well comfortable, and I I have it on the maximum. Like, bro, my eyes are glued to the screen, like so damn close. Maybe I need to. Okay, maybe I push it back a little bit. I don't know. But wow, all right. Let me move this thing over here. Come on. All right. So, oh. Yeah, everything seems to be good. Oh man, I could wear this all day. But I don't know about the top part. I mean, I don't think it is really that necessary. The top part is, it feels like, it feels fine. But the back, bro, the back is, ooh, the cushion is just very good. And since I have it all dialed in, the light bleed from the nose is not as noticeable anymore. It's just that good. I could plug this in and charge it. Let's see, it's 98%. So let's just see if it charges to 100. 97. Okay, it says 97. Oh, wow. Bro, these lenses are straight in my eyes. Like, it is so close. Maybe I got a bump in FOV because of it. Maybe because it is so close. Now let's see how about, I could just flip them up, but I I could just use pass through for that. And the screen is still on. I see that they're blinking because the sensors are still like detecting it. But yeah, it's good. It's good. Like, it's still stuck at 97%. So I guess I have to use it with the headset charge, and then just keep using it with the head strap connected. Maybe I need to do that. Maybe. Well, that's about it for now. The Kiwi design battery head strap, and the cables, and the battery pack for Type C, whatever, a bunch of items. Next video may probably be the C Fold 6 or the C Fold 3, whichever one I end up buying. Oh, and a small detail that I may have missed, but I scratched the lenses on the headset. I don't know if it's noticeable. Like it's really hard to tell from here. Maybe from this perspective, like it's scratched. I can see with my actual eyes.